Welcome back to Simon Says Garage. On today's video, we're putting the old stroke box head here in storage. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, we have a flat tire. Oh no! My compressor still doesn't work. Oh, what are we gonna do? Luckily for me, the folks over at Airmoto sent me over one of their smart pumps to try out. So I figure, what a perfect example for this. Because my compressor really is not working and I legitimately have a flat tire-ish. So if this doesn't work, you're gonna find out at the same time as me. Hopefully it's charged. I haven't even opened it yet. Oh, see? There's no pre-script here. I think I missed. Nope, I didn't. I got it. We're good, we got this. Anywho's, this is a portable air pump, a smart air pump. It's got a long standby Type-C charging. It's good for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls. It'll do up to 51 PSI for a car tire, so that should be good for all I need. Why can't I get this out of here? Well, their packaging is secure. They got that going for them. Instructions, we probably don't need those. If this is good and this actually works, this will definitely go in my road bag for my road trip escapades that we like to have. Knock on wood, that's not wood. Usually when I break down, it's not because of a flat tire. I'm sure that rattle sound is normal. Let's see if we got power. On, you have to hold the button. It's got a full battery, perfect. It even comes with them damn needles that you're always looking for to blow up your kid's basketball. It comes with one. I'll lose that one too, most likely. And some different pluggy adapter thingamabobbers and a cord. Even a nice little carrying bag. How special. We're only after one piece of information here, folks. Does it work? Oh, look at that. Anyways, we're just gonna give her the beans right out the gate. Oh, it's got a deflate button. There ain't much more to it. It's just, that's all there is to it. It's all digital. It's on bicycle mode right now. I don't know if that's picking up. I don't know what I've done. You can change whether you want it in PSI, bar, KPA, or KG/CM2, whatever that means. If you're familiar with that, you probably know. All I care about is PSI, so that's what we want. You can set your pressure right here. We're gonna do a car, 35 PSI, that should be good for me. Let's just hook her up and see how she works, because I genuinely don't know. She must really pump the heat, because it's got a hot warning label there. Did I purposely deflate my tire for this demonstration? I sure did. It's gonna be really annoying if this isn't any good because my compressor actually doesn't work. That's not fake. So let's just hook her up and hope for the best, huh? It does actually screw onto the valve stem, so that's kind of nice. You don't have to sit there and hold it onto it. I'm not sure how you start it. Just like that. This must be the air in. And what it's gonna go to. And let her do her thing, I guess. Give you the whole full disclosure here. It's not a knock on it. It's not a dig on it. It's not anything negative. I hooked it up to that tire straight out of the box. Didn't charge it first. Didn't, whatever. Just hooked it up. It got all the way up to about 28, 29 pounds before the battery quit on it. Who knows when it was charged? I don't know how long I've been sitting on a shelf. I don't know any of that information, but we are going to charge it. And we're going to go again. And we're going to see where we get, just because you should know. But even still, if on a full battery, you come out in the morning and you got a flat tire and you got no way to air it up, 28, 29 PSI, that's gonna get you down the road to get at least somewhere. It's a rescue device, it's not a fixer. So I'm not mad about it, but it is aired up for the most part. Like I said, we're gonna charge it, we're gonna hook it back up, and we're gonna finish the fill. It was at about 13 minutes when it shut off. So it's not super fast, but it's faster than not doing it. So you got that going for you. and it's not super loud. It's just, it is what it is. It's an air pump. It's a self-contained air pump that's about the size of a frickin' brick. I don't know. Well, we'll just go with it. Well, we got her charged back up. I don't know how long it took to charge. I got distracted and busy and was doing other things. So let's hook her back up to the tire and see if she'll finish the job for us. All right, we got her screwed back onto the old valve stem here. Let's set her going. Put her back on car mode. Still at 28 PSI. We'll just send her going again. We only got about another 6 pounds to go. My math is bad. That looks like about 7. And away she goes again. And just let her do her thing, people. She knows what she's doing. Sit back and enjoy the ride. There we go, it's done. It took about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes to get the last 7 PSI in there. That's not too bad. I mean, you gotta remember, folks, it's the size of a freaking small brick. But now, my deflated tire and my broken compressor are not a problem. We got her covered. We're golden. She worked. She definitely worked. So the question we have here at the end of all this, is the Airmoto Smart Pump right for you? I have no idea. You have to make that decision. What I can tell you is it works. It works relatively well. I did forget to mention it does have a flashlight on it as well if you need that, if you're doing that at night and trying to find your valve stem and you can't find the hole, and you know, it's a whole thing. It does have a LED light, works really well. Gift season is coming, so this would be a great stocking stuffer option for a college student, a motorcycle guy to keep in their saddlebag, you know, any guy that has hot rods and cars that goes on trips and runs the risk of coming out in the morning with a flat tire. They're all viable prospects that could utilize such a tool. I am definitely gonna put it in my to-go bag so it's always with me, just in case. That's absolutely what's gonna happen with it. If you think you want one and you wanna pick one up, I'll put a link down in the description. It'll give you a discount. Get one for yourself, get one for your kids, get one for your grandparents. Oh, I bet I could get one for the kid for his motorcycle. Yeah, I bet he'd like that actually. That's probably a good idea. When's Christmas? I'm gonna get out of here now. I got things to do. We gotta get this car in storage now that we got air in our tires because it's getting to be wintertime here in Minnesota and I need the garage space. So that's what we're gonna do. Anywho, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the old Airmoto if you got one yourself. Love to hear your thoughts. For me, it's a definite yes, definite yes.